Honda, Honda, Honda. Honda dito, Honda dyan. Kahit saan ka tumingin, meron kang makikitang Honda motorcycle. Bigla ko tuloy naalala yung first motorcycle ko, yung Honda Wave 125 Repsol. Pero hindi itong episode para pag-usapan yan. Because this episode is the new lineup of upcoming big bikes by Honda 2024. Pero before that, gusto kong i-congratulate si Honda Philippines for leading motorcycle manufacturing in the country in celebration of 7 million units of motorcycle production. So yun, good job. Talagang isa sa mga finest ng motorcycle industry si Honda. So meron tayong 8 lineup big bikes si Honda. So this is the first.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The CB500R. Kung mapapansin nyo to, this is the old version of CB500R. Pero may mga in-upgrade sila sa bike na to. First, new TFT screen, then improved acceleration, then meron tong Honda Sync connectivity, and this is the tawagin nilang Fireblade inspired styling. Kaya mas tinatawag nila tong the baby Fireblade. So mapapansin nyo, design, the colorway, then unang tingin mo para siyang yung Fireblade na super sports. The next one is the CBR650R. So same lang to nung first version nila. So meron lang tong nadagdag ngayon. This is equipped with Honda electronic clutch technology. So kung gusto nyong mapanood kung ano ang Honda e-clutch technology, pwede kong gawan to ng video para ma-explain sa inyo ng mas maigi yung function ng e-clutch. Pero itong bike na to is the same design from the first version. Then 2024 nagkaroon lang siya ng e-clutch na tinatawag na technology ni Honda. So may naririnig tayong hydraulic clutch, but this one is the e-clutch.
Four, 3, 2, 1.
And this one is the comeback of CBR600RR. So mga hindi nakakaalam, meron ng 600RR noon pa man. Pero biglang nawala ito, then ngayon binalik nila ulit ng mas maganda. So meron tong peak power of 119 horsepower at around 14,200 RPM. And meron tong agile performance from aluminum frame and fully electronic package and ready to race. So ito, mas malakas, mas maganda ang pagbabalik ni CBR 600RR 2024. So yan ang abangan natin, lalo sa mga mahihilig mag-racing. Ito ang the best para sa inyo na middle weight class na sports bike, o mas tinatawag nilang super sports. And the next one is the best selling naked bike in the Philippines. This is the Neo Sports Cafe. Ngayon, niredesign ni Honda. So maraming nabago rito. Mapapansin nyo yung headlight, TFT funnel, air intake design, taillight, then so many more na mapapansin nyo na sobrang nabago. Best selling naked bike ito ni Honda.
4, 3, 2, 1.
And the new Hornet 500. This is the new member of Hornet family. So meron kasing 750 na Hornet pero hindi yung dumating dito sa Pilipinas. So sana ito makarating dito sa Pilipinas. Then, this is the redesigned headlight and aggressive styling. Ideal first big bike or friendly beginner's bike. This is the Hornet 500. So napakaganda, napaka-nimble. Then we have here NX 500 adventure bike. So hindi naman to actually new unit ni Honda. Nilabas na to noon, then redesign nila ngayon. So meron tong handling improvement by 3 kilos weight reduction. Then meron tong high level specification, new TFT screen, new Honda Road Sync connectivity, and Honda selectable torque.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Then another adventure bike by Honda, but this one is the top of the line ni Honda. Actually marami na tong version. Then matagal na tong Honda Africa Twin na to. Meron tong pictures na off-road capability. Versatility for any road. And nakakalamang to dahil in-improve nito yung performance niya compared sa mga previous model. Isa to sa mga reason bakit ito ay angat na angat sa ibang adventure bike. Kasi meron tong wide TFT panel, and hindi lang yon, advanced technology dahil ito ay touchscreen. So mas madaling i-operate. And this bike is equipped with Honda dual clutch transmission. And also pagdating sa suspension, hindi ito magpapahuli kasi meron tong Showa electronic suspension. Ka naman panapan ng mga off-road, pwede mong pagpilian ng kanilang complete set. Meron tong adventure pack, the rally pack, the travel pack, and the last one, the urban pack. So yun mga kamot-mot, this is the top of the line of Honda adventure bike. So sulit na sulit ka rito. And now, the mother of all sports bike by Honda, the CBR 1000 RR Fireblade. So this one is new revised valve timing and gear ratio, new Brembo brakes caliper, third generation all-in smart electronic control, and new camshaft, and new instrument panel with new functionality, and now more powerful 214 horsepower. Sobrang sulit, sobrang ganda ng bagong CBR 1000 Fireblade. Yes, this is the super bike by Honda.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And this one is the last but the newest lineup naked bike by Honda, the CB Hornet 1000. sports performance from Fireblade over 110 kilowatt or 147 horsepower. Fully electronic package, newest frame, newest design. So napaka simple pero napaka agresibong design ng bike. Sobrang stunning. Good job, Honda. There you go, mga kamot-mot. The new lineup of Honda Big Bike 2024. CBR 500R, CBR 650R, CBR 600RR, CB650R, Hornet 500, NX 500, Africa Twin, CBR Fireblade, and the newest CB Hornet 1000. There you go, mga kamot-mot. So sana may nakawing tips and idea sa upcoming big bike ng Honda. So hanggang sa susunod ulit na episode, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Okay, so this is Imon, see the road. Peace out.